Good day everyone, I am Crisanta Dedora, an EIM or Electrical Installation Maintenance In-Situ holder. Today I'm going to show you on how to install a three-way switch. A three-way switch is the one that allows you to control a ceiling light or other electrical fixtures from two separated locations. Common scenarios would be two three-way switches connected from both top and bottom of a stairway. Here is my diagram. We have the safety breaker, the bulb, the junction box, and three-way switches. Now, here are our materials. Our safety breaker, flexible hose, PVC clip, two junction boxes, our receptacle with wire attached, utility boxes, and our two three-way switches with wire attached and its indicators. We have also our tools to use, our long nose, our screwdriver, the wire cutter, electrical tape, and our gloves. Also, the most important is our bulb. Before we start, be mindful for our safety. We should wear gloves to avoid electric shock. Also, if you are installing this in a building, make sure that you are wearing hard helmets for the falling debris. Let's start connecting it. Let's use this. Let's connect the traveler wire from the safety breaker to our receptacle. Next, our live wire to the common wire from the three-way switches. Let's do the splicing. Let us connect the live wire to the breaker. Then next, the ground wire. We can easily determine which is the ground wire and live wire because they are different in color. This black wire indicates our ground and the red wire indicates our live wire. Next, we will connect the traveler 1 to the traveler 3 from the other 3. Next, let us connect traveler 3 from this switch to the traveler 1. These travelers cause electric current or electricity to travel to all. Next, let us connect the common wire from this switch to the wire connected to the receptacle. Before we energize, make sure that every wire is detached from each other. Let us check traveler 1 to traveler 3, 3 to traveler 1, and we're common to light. The ground to receptacle, the common to the receptacle. Next, let us put the light bulb. This time let us energize our light bulb. Be careful. It's on the breaker. So our switches work well. So for example, you are here in the second floor and you forgot to turn off the light, and you are here now in the first floor, so you can turn off the light here. Vice versa. That will be all. Thank you.